Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Snake Crazy Pro EA for MT4. So this is an MT4 expert advisor, and according to the MQL5 Marketplace page, it is designed for Forex trading and combines multiple ADX-based trading approaches inside a single automated system. Starting here on the Marketplace page, we can see that the EA is developed by Michela Russo. The purchase price is listed at $395 and there are also rental options available. 1 month rental is going for $390 and 3 months rental is going for $392. The current version shown is 3.1, updated on February 2nd, 2026, with 10 activations included. The developer describes Snake Crazy Pro as a complete trading system that combines 11 strategies within one EA. Now, one important note highlighted on the page is that the robot can open a large number of orders, and there is also a clear warning that the Crazy Pro series carries a high level of risk, meaning traders should actively monitor performance and understand the potential for substantial losses. As I continue scrolling through the description, the developer states that the EA does not use arbitrage or breakout trading methods and is designed to maintain resistance to slippage. The page also specifies that the EA operates on Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and Euro GBP using the M15 time frame. Moving into the feature section, one of the core components here is the use of the ADX indicator. The EA includes multiple ADX-based strategy variations, allowing traders to choose between different signal generation methods. Some strategies are based on the relationship between DI plus and DI minus. Others use ADX level thresholds, and some combine both directional and trend and strength-based conditions. What I find useful here is the amount of customization available. The settings allow users to select the trading strategy they want to run, configure lot sizing manually or through an auto lot feature, set risk values, define maximum orders, and control trading hours. There are also parameters related to spread filtering, trade management, take profit targets, monetary loss limits, and trading session controls. The developer additionally provides options for limiting maximum lot sizes, controlling secondary trade spacing through minimum distance settings, and managing when new trade series can be opened. These settings can significantly influence how aggressively or conservatively the EA behaves. So proper optimization becomes especially important before using it on a live account. Before moving into the backtesting section, the recommended setup provided on the Marketplace page, like I already mentioned, includes these pairs. And according to what we have here, the test started from 2019 with a minimum deposit of $100 recommended. Tick-by-tick testing methodology as well. Now let's look at the historical backtest results that are provided here on the page. Here I can see a growth of over 1,500% from June 2020 to October 2020. And this shows May to July 2020, 417%. All right, this shows the EA in action, and so on and so forth. So now let's just go head over to our strategy tester. But before then, this is actually showing me 2020, this 2019 mentioned here seems not to be accurate. Okay, but then let's just head over to our strategy tester And we are testing the Snake Crazy Pro EA on Euro USD, which is one of the recommended pairs on the M15 time frame as recommended. We are using the every tick modeling, and we are testing over the past 3 months. Okay, so looking at the reports, the initial deposit is $10,000. Total net profit is 190.42, and the total trades taken were 182, out of which 122 were profitable, giving us a 67.03% win rate. And the largest profit here is $66.11. The largest loss is 16.14. Average profit 3.25, and average loss is 3.43. So this means that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. Even though the difference is not so much, but the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Now let us go and turn on the visual so that we can also see this EA in action. All right, when reviewing historical testing, I always like to focus on how the EA behaved across the tested period rather than concentrating solely on profit figures. Since this EA can open multiple orders and includes numerous strategy variations, it is important to evaluate not only profitability but also consistency and overall risk exposure. So looking through the historical chart activity, we can observe how the system generated entries based on its selected ADX strategy configuration. And since the developer explicitly explains that the EA uses multiple ADX-driven approaches, the trade activity we see here is tied to those indicator-based decision rules rather than discretionary trading. One thing worth mentioning is that the developer recommends tick-by-tick testing and provides historical testing data. Even though the data provided on the marketplace page covered just a couple of months, right? As we saw here, right? It just covered a couple of months. Okay. Meanwhile, longer testing periods generally provide a broader perspective on how an EA performs across different market environments. So I'll still recommend running your own long-term tests as well to better understand how the selected strategy behaves over time. Now, as for the results, this should always be viewed as historical backtest results and historical testing performance, not as a prediction of future returns. Actual trading outcomes can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, the Snake Crazy Pro EA for MT4 offers a highly configurable ADX-based automated trading system with multiple strategy options, extensive risk controls, and support for several major currency pairs on the M15 timeframe. At the same time, the developer openly warns about the higher risk nature of the system, which is something traders should take seriously when evaluating it. My recommendation is to thoroughly test and optimize the EA in a demo environment first, explore the different strategy configurations available, and make sure the settings match your own risk tolerance before considering any live deployment. So that's my review of Snake Crazy Pro EA for MT4. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more expert advice or reviews and backtesting breakdowns. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.